Communal Sarawak is the government agency committed to lead reforestation by pledging to plant 35 million trees in line with the Greening Malaysia programs, which targets to plant 100 million trees throughout the countries by the year 2025. The goal of Forest Landscape Restorations project in Sarawak is to contribute to the enrichment of the existing 62% of Sarawak forest cover. This is in line with the government post-COVID-19 development strategy PCDS 2030 and also United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Pillars 13 and 15. Seedball Blaster is to improve technical efficiencies of seedball dispersion in these degraded forest areas and enrichment planting sites using mechatronics mechanisms. This is suitable to be applied in undulating and heightened forest areas and increase the productivity and efficiencies in our forest restoration initiative in Sarawak.
Seedball 分配的更有效率。
I think it's really a good product that can save a lot of manpower. At the same time, it is good for reforestations and enrichment plantings.
Jauh laju nanam kayu tu jadi cukup mana?
Dia mat yang tu dapat dah. Kita yang nak izin tu ya cepat amat. Berak tadi agak jauh lihat berapa adik kerja tanya 20 sikit aja jauh lihat nak buat ke 500 IG seedball.